Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. I hope you have seen the last lecture and you have completed exercise F and exercise G of the vocabulary portion. Today we will discuss and solve exercise I and exercise J. So take out your vision books and open up page number 64. Read the words in the box and underline the words in them. You have to solve exercise I by yourself. In this box, what you have to do, you have to read the words and then underline the vowels in them. Drag, nod, slip, hop, beg, grip, drop, spot or brag. Now, what happens when we add ed or ing to such words? The last letter is doubled. For example, if we are adding ed or ing, so the last letter is doubled. What we have to do? We have to double the last letter. For example, drag. If we add ed or ing, so the last letter, that is G, it will be doubled. So look at the spelling of dragged. In the first word, dragged, ed is added. So the last letter is G. It is doubled, dragged or dragging. Now add ed and ing to all of the above words. Now in this box, we have to write down the words which were given in the box. I have solved this for you. The words are drag, nod, slip, bag. Now we have to add ed. So the last letter will be doubled and then ed will be added. Drag, dragged. And in the same way, we will add ing. Drag, dragged, dragging. Drag, dragged, dragging. Next, nod. Nodded, nodding. Nod, nodded, nodding. Next, slip. S-L-I-P, slip. Slipped, slipping. The last letter P has been doubled. The last letter P has been doubled. Slip, slipped, slipping. Next, beg. B-E-G, beg. Beg, begged, begging. As you can see in all these words, wherever we have added ed or ing, we have doubled the last letter. Now coming towards exercise J, write 3 more words from the following beginnings and endings. You can see that there are 5 columns. In each column, there are some words in which the beginning and the ending has been highlighted. So we have to make 3 more words from these beginnings. For example, temperature. We have to make 3 more words from the ending of TURE. So, I have solved it for you. Start writing it in your book. Future, creature, nature and mature. Concentrate. Now we have to make the words of this beginning con, C-O-N, constant, concentrate, contract, content, confused. Constant, contract, content, confused. Thermometer, diameter, kilometer, centimeter and parameter. What we have to do, we have to use the ending meter. So I have solved diameter, kilometer, centimeter and perimeter. If you know any other word besides these, so you can write those words as well. Next, forehead. We have to use the word for. Forever, for sure, for sit. Sorry, not for sit, it's for sure. And then forest. Forever, for sure, forest, forgive. Last, resist, recognize, rescue, realize, remote. In this column, recognize has been repeated twice. So you have to write it only once. Recognize, rescue, realize and remote. Note down your homework. Do exercise I and J in your vision book, page number 64. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.